To start, pull the hood release lever located under the steering wheel. To the right of the front Ford emblem, push the hood release lever to the left and lift the hood. Lift the hood prop rod and place it in the receiver to hold the hood while we work. Next, we need to remove these 4 cowl fasteners. These are easily removed by pressing upward underneath them, removing the screw, and then the fastener housing. Lift the cowl and locate the air filter cover, which has 2 tabs that need to be lifted to remove. After removing the air filter cover, remove the old cabin air filter if one exists. As often from the factory, no filter is installed. Inspect the screen around the air filter assembly and remove any debris that is present. The air filter will rest on top of these 2 rear plastic tabs and within this plastic lip to the front. Insert the new cabin air filter by pressing it into place as shown. And as a note, this new filter should be replaced after approximately 15,000 miles. Note the position of these receivers for the air filter cover clips, which are located here and here on the cover. Reinsert the air filter cover, ensuring both the rear and front clips are securely fastened. Reinstall the 4 cowl fasteners and then press the plastic screws back into place. Remove the prop rod from its receiver and return it to its stowing clip. Finally, close the hood and you're all set. I hope this video helped, and if you like this content and would like to see more, please consider subscribing.